Well, someone is stuck. He's probably waiting for that leaf to come so close to him so he can jump on it. They're patient. Let's wait with him and see if he can reach it. So I've helped him put that stick in place to enable him to get to his next destination. He doesn't even know. And we are going to have the opportunity to see him change colors. I don't want to be so close because I've been told they can jump. And once it's stuck, whichever part of your body, they have to literally cut it off. Documenting. It knows I'm watching. It knows someone is there. Let me keep quiet. I think he knows he's been watched. Remember, our chameleon initially had different colors. Now it has adjusted to the color of the stick. Look at him. He's very careful in his movements. Because he knows the stick, he doesn't trust it. But I put it there myself. I know it will work. Obviously, it's human or animal nature to not trust people. We've harmed animals more than we should have. So he keeps pausing like that. I want to watch him because he's going to go to the banana leaves, I know for a fact. Holy shit. I think this is a female. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a female chameleon. Damn. Chameleons are not as slow as we think. They know exactly what they're doing. Where is... And ladies and gentlemen, that marks the end of our video. I wonder why he stays in one position like that before he takes the next move. Dang. I did my job. Humanitarian work.